the first thing is I've noticed that you cannot push something into somebody's throat. You must be very sympathetic, because my sister was very sympathetic towards me, although she started after me. But she said, please, just try it. There's nothing to lose. Just try it. And being sympathetic is, you must lead that person, because they need leading, and they need somebody to tell them what not and what to. So what I do, and I have done it, is I don't try to give them any advice. I send them to people on YouTube, to people that know what they are talking about. I think Dr. Baker and Dr. Berry